Hello friends, I am Purva Gupta, Assistant Professor in Biyani International Institute of Engineering Technology, welcomes you all on behalf of Guru KPU for a video lecture on high voltage DC transmission. High voltage DC transmission is basically an interconnection of AC transmission and DC transmission. It employs both positive points of both the transmissions AC and DC. In the high voltage DC transmission are employed whenever we have to transfer bulk power over a long distance. The basic terminologies used in high voltage DC transmissions are AC generating source, step up transformer, rectifiers station, inverter station, step down transformer and an AC load. Now we will move first to the AC generating source. In the AC generating source we have the generated power or the power we have to supply in the AC form. Now we have AC generated source. Now this AC generated source power is stepped up, or the voltage of this power is stepped up by employing a step up transformer. In the step up transformer, input voltage is low and output voltages are high. Next we have rectifier station. In the rectifier station is basically the interconnection unit of high voltage DC transmission. In the rectifiers we have AC power supply as input and the DC power supply is as occupied as the output. Now we have grounding of this rectifier station. Now we have this high voltage DC transmission overhead line. These rectifiers are grounded. Now this rectifier output is employed on overhead transmission lines of high voltage DC for long distance transmission of this high DC output. These high DC output are now transferred through overhead DC line and supplied to inverters. What the inverter unit do? It converts the DC input power supplied to it. DC input power supplied to is now converted to AC output. Now these AC output are supplied to a step down transformer. In step down transformer what we have, input voltage is high voltage and output voltage are decreased by sufficient values. These step down transformers are employed because at the consumer ends, if high voltage are provided or supplied, then the devices of the consumers may get damaged. So we have to decrease the voltage levels by employing step down transformers. Now this step down AC voltage can be supplied to the AC loads. This whole high voltage DC system is very efficient, cost effective and can supply a large number of bulk power over a very long distance. Thank you and thank you. Thank you for visiting this video. For more videos, please log on to www.gurukpu.com.